Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Surface Pro 5, gather the following tools: a heat gun, plastic spudger, Phillips screwdriver, size 00, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by powering off your device completely to ensure safety while working. Next, apply heat around the edges of the Surface Pro 5 using the heat gun. This will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Be careful not to overheat any specific area, approximately 10 to 15 seconds of heat should suffice. Once the edges are warm, insert the plastic spudger gently into the seam near the kickstand. Carefully work your way around, applying a little pressure to pop the screen off. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the glass. If you encounter resistance, reapply heat as needed. After removing the screen, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside. This is a good practice to ensure the longevity of your device. If you're unsure about cleaning, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess your device's condition. Next, locate the battery. It is usually secured with several screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Keep track of your screws as you will need them to secure the new battery. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding cables or components. If you're uncomfortable doing this, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls for assistance. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors. Ensure that it fits snugly in place, and secure it by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is connected properly before proceeding. Before reassembling your device, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Reconnect the screen temporarily and power on your Surface Pro 5. If it powers up and recognizes the new battery, you can proceed to reattach the screen. If you experience any issues, remember we can provide a quote before repair to help you understand the costs involved without any pressure. With the device powered on, gently place the screen back onto the body, aligning it with the edges. Apply slight pressure around the edges to ensure that it snaps back into place securely. Finally, inspect your work to ensure everything is in order, and power on your device again to confirm that the battery replacement was successful. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.